Hi everyone, I'm Gokulnath, a customer success consultant at Sierra ODC, and today I'm taking you on a journey that was more than just work. It was about growth, connection, and making an impact. Let me share my incredible experience of implementing eFACiLiTY at Lake Turkana Wind Power in Kenya. It all began on October 14th when I left Coimbatore for my first international assignment, the destination Nairobi, Kenya, to work on eFACiLiTY implementation for LTWP, one of Africa's largest wind power projects, contributing 11% of Kenya's electricity demand. From Nairobi, I boarded a two-seater Cessna 208B Grand Caravan EX. Sitting next to the pilot, I had a front row seat to the most incredible views. As we flew over deserts, rivers, and deep blue expanse of Lake Turkana, the world's largest desert lake, I couldn't help but feel awestruck. This wasn't just a flight, it was an adventure in itself. Lake Turkana Wind Power is not just a renewable energy project, it's a symbol of sustainability. With 365 wind turbines spanning 40,000 acres, it generates about 11% of Kenya's electricity demand. It's a true engineering marvel, helping power the nation with clean energy. With operations critical to Kenya's power grid, LTWP faced the complex challenge of managing such a massive scale. That's where eFACiLiTY stepped in, providing an advanced platform to simplify asset management, automate work orders, and ensure operational efficiency. By integrating systems and automating key processes, eFACiLiTY is now driving sustainability and efficiency across the LTWP's operations. From reducing downtime to streamlining spare parts management, this solution empowers LTWP to stay ahead in the renewable energy sector. The implementation process was hands-on and collaborative. Over 3 weeks, we worked closely with the LTWP team to lay the groundwork for an intelligent system. From building an asset database to automating workflows, we ensured every detail was addressed. Kenya offered me a cultural feast too. From nyama choma to ugali, every dish was a delicious adventure. Sharing meals with the LTWP team, especially near Lake Turkana, added a personal touch to my journey. The warmth and hospitality of everyone I met there will stay with me forever. The Lake Turkana camp was not just a workplace, it was a heaven. Even in this remote location, we had modern amenities, enriching interactions, and moments of joy. Whether it was relaxing at the clubhouse or sharing stories with a local fisherman, every day offered something memorable. As the project came to a successful close, the return journey was a moment to reflect on everything we had accomplished. Flying back over the Kenyan landscape alongside my LTWP colleague, I couldn't help but feel a sense of pride and fulfillment. This was not just about completing a project, it was about the relationships built, the challenges conquered, and the memories made. It's moments like these that reminds me why I'm proud to be a part of Sierra ODC.
At Sierra ODC, we're not just implementing solutions, we're empowering sustainability and creating stories of impact. Thank you for being part of this journey.